You want to hold this mic. Yeah,
Sir,
what's your name?
sir, my name is Nikhil.
Nikhil. So the question is, how would your friends and family describe you? Do you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead. I want to listen to you.
Sir, first of all, if I tell you that how my family members describe me, so I will tell you first that I live in a joint family.
Hmm.
My aunties, my uncles, my grandmother, my mother, my brother, we all live together. So I will tell you the way that they think about me.
Hmm.
So I can't tell you that they how they think about me inside their mind, but that I can understand that how they think about me. So I can tell
Like
you.
whatever you have observed
Yeah,
by their activities, by their words, you can tell us.
yeah.
So how do your friends and family describe you?
So first of all, I want to tell you that how my mother would describe me.
Hmm.
So uh, my mother think that I am very
My
hard.
mother thinks that.
My mother thinks that I am a hard worker boy. I am hard working boy, and I do every work of home, and I studies also. And when result came, she also uh, says me that you don't study whole year, but you get marks. These
She
kind of.
praises you.
Yeah. So she think that I study whole night, and he also that I also focuses on my study and any other activities. So she thinks these kind of way in these kind of way, and whenever uh, I take leave from school for a long time, and it was so much work of school that is left from me. So on that time I don't like to do that work, but my mother think that why when my mother says that why are you not doing your work, after that I also don't do that work. Then she thinks that I am a shirker and I don't do my work ever. So this kind of way my mother thinks about me. And if I tell you that how my brother thinks about me, so he thinks that I am very bad boy, and I am very good at making fun of anyone. And he also thinks that I am a good player of football because I play football very well. And he also thinks that I am better at studies than him, as my level, not as
You're
anyone.
talking about your elder brother?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
And so in this kind of way,
So whatever he thinks, are you?
yeah.
He's like whatever he is thinking about you, you are the same. So he thinks that you are a bad boy.
Yeah. I am a bad boy also.
How you are bad boy?
Because I make fun of anyone, just like I make fun of what is called. Sir, I'm not getting the right word.
Tell me in Hindi.
Uh,
गली वालों का गली में लड़कों को मजाक उड़ा देता हूँ.
yes, sir. In my street and somewhere, whenever I get a chance to make
You
fun.
tease people. You can say that I tease them.
Yeah, I tease also, and whenever I won any match, then I what is called?
I shout.
No, I not shout. I don't shout, but yeah, I tease my friends that you have not won the match and I won. I make fun of them a whole year that you have not won.
You
from
call
me.
them losers,
Yeah,
losers.
yeah.
You shout on the ground.
Yeah.
All right.
So that's
Because of
why-
this, your brother says that
Yeah.
you are not good.
Yeah.
You're bad in this term.
Yeah.
But he says that you are good at study.
Yeah.
He's right.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah, yes.
Do
sir.
you think you are the best as per your level?
Sir, I don't think that I am best as per my level. but I am better than my friends.
Oh, that's great. Okay, if someone is better than friends, it means he is good, right? Right, Isha?
Yes, sir.
All right. I want some yes, guys. That's why.
Uh, Sir.
Let's go to talk about your friends now.
Okay, sir. So, if I tell you that how in what ways that my friends think about me, thinks about me. So, my best friend, his name is Utkarsh. He thinks that I am a topper and I score better marks than him
Always?
always. But not in science because he always studies science. Just like
He is good at science, but you are not.
sir, I am also good, but as per as my level. But he studies the level science of class 11th, class 12th, just like this. That's why he score good marks. But I am also in habit of scoring good marks. So that's why he's good at only science, but I'm good at all subject. And
So there is always competition with your friend.
yeah, I take competition with my friends.
Okay.
Always.
You compete with your friend.
Yeah, because they are also kind of toppers. One of my
So you have good friend circle as well, I think.
yeah. Most
Do you
of
have
my
some failures? They are friends.
yes sir, some failures also.
They are your friends.
Hmm.
Have you
But-
ever failed any class ever?
No.
Yet not.
No. The, it is right to education policy, and that's why they don't fail
In up to 9th class or up to 8th class?
up to 8th class. But
Up to
they
8th
will-
class, no one can be failed.
Yeah.
As per the new education policy, CBSE guidelines, I think, believe.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why. And they also think that I'm good at curricular activities, just like what is
Now,
called.
Nikhil, you know what? I want to listen that. Can you tell me about your friends, your brother, or maybe your family members, what they think you are not that person?
Okay.
I want to listen that point. Like someone in your friends or family, the way they think about yourself, you are totally opposite, or maybe you are not like that. Do you have?
I
some-
want to think for just 10 seconds.
All
20
right,
seconds.
no problem. Yes, continue now.
So, sir, you have told me that tell me one point that you are opposite of your friends, that friends are.
What they think you are opposite of that.
Yeah. So, I have 2 points. First, that they think that I study whole year with full attention and full
Dedication.
full dedication. But I am not that. I
Hmm.
don't study whole year. But before one day of exam, I study with my full concentration and dedication. That's why I got marks. But
I
they
get
think-
marks.
I get marks, but they think that I study whole year to get marks to score better than them.
So it's not like that.
Yeah, it's
This is the
not
first.
like-
What is the second point?
Sir, second point is that I am from Uttarakhand and one of well-known YouTuber, maybe you also know.
Saurabh Joshi.
Yeah,
Saurabh Joshi, he also comes from Uttarakhand.
yeah. So I am also from that area. So they think that I have met to him so many times, just like whenever I go there, so I have met him. But this is not that.
So you can say them, no problem. Make some false admirance. You can say that yes, Saurabh comes at my home so
yes,
many
sir.
times.
Yes, sir. I have done this so many times.
Really?
Yeah,
But he doesn't come.
yeah,
So you fool them like this.
yeah.
When they are happy, then there is no problem. So Saurabh Joshi belongs to your village.
No, but
Your area?
Yeah, nearby my area, our
Okay.
village area.
What do you know about Saurabh Joshi?
He is a YouTuber,
Hmm.
and he comes from maybe Kosani district. No,
Koshambi.
Kosani.
Kosani, okay.
Kosani village from Almora district,
Hmm.
and he have 35 million subscriber.
Okay. Does he do anything new in his videos, or like is there anything to learn from his videos or not?
No, sir.
So why he's getting this many?
Sir, because
Followers.
maybe according to me, this is a psychology
Hmm.
that everyone want to look inside the house of anyone, that what is happening in their house. That's why.
People want to know what is going on in your family
Yes, sir.
inside, right?
Yeah.
And Saurabh Joshi explains everything.
Yeah.
He shows what they are eating, where they are sleeping, fight, and everything.
Yes, sir.
And people are watching that.
Yeah.
So why don't you do this? You can also become that.
Sir, this is on luck. Yeah. This is on luck. He got famous.
He does anything, but people watch him.
But before Corona, he used to draw paintings. Where he
was a
have-
painter.
Yeah, he was a painter, and he belongs to. He belongs to a poor family. He belonged to
He was from poor family.
yeah.
But now-
he changed his life.
Oh my God! And he's such a young boy. I think 22 or 23. years.
25.
25 years old man, 35 million followers, many luxury cars, big house, and luxury life he's living,
Yes, sir.
and doing nothing, just showing his family faces, his family traveling outside and these things. And people are following and learning. I think people are watching him. The reason is that maybe people want to become like him. That's why they are watching. Like most of the people are learning that how to do a blogging. That's why they are going there. Otherwise, nothing new is there, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. You are Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
Nice talking to you. And guys, keep learning, keep watching videos. Please write your opinion on this. And if you are a learner of English, share this video and write your comments. Thank you for watching.